Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are well. So let's start this video. We know that internet is a decentralized. Internet is nothing but the interconnection between computers. This connection could be wired or wireless depending upon the requirement. If data is large and transferred to long distance, then we required wired connection. These wired connections are different from normal wires. In order to complete data transfer, fiber optic cables are come in action. An optic fiber is a flexible, transparent, long, thin strands of carefully drawn glass or plastic about the diameter equal to the human hair. These strands are arranged in bundles called optical cables. We rely on them to transmit light signals over long distance. Fiber optic was invented by Narendra Singh Kapni. Fiber optic cables were originally developed in the 1950s for endoscopy. The purpose was to help doctors view the inside of a human patient without major surgery. In the 1960s, telephone engineers found a way to use the same technology to transmit and receive telephone calls at the speed of light, which is 186,000 miles per second in a vacuum, but slow to about two-thirds of this speed in a cable. Let's see how the fiber optic cables are useful in the internet. At the transmitting source, the light signal are encoded with data. This light encoded with data transmits through fiber optic cable to a receiving end where the light signals is decoded as a data, and therefore fiber optic is actually act as a transmission medium to carry signals over a long distance at a very high speed. Light travels down a fiber optic cable by bouncing off the walls of the cable repeatedly. Each light particles, that is photon, bounces down the pipe with continued internal mirror-like reflections. The light beam travels down the core of the cable. The core is the middle of the cable and the glass structure. The cladding is another layer of a glass wrapped around the core. Cladding is there to keep the light signals inside the core. These fiber optic cable are spread in whole world to provide internet at a high speed. As the use of internet is increased in recent decades, these cables are widely used.